Happy Nanovember Internet. Welcome back to my office. As you can tell by the title of this video, today we're going to be covering the new Nano currency hub that was just released yesterday. If you're not part of the official Nano Discord where things like this gets announced first, I'll be linking that down in the description as well. Make sure you come join and say hi. If you also look down below, there will be timestamps in this video. If you're looking for something specific about the hub, you can check that out down below. I don't want to waste your time, so let's get right into it. So as you can see, the new hub that was released by Nano is actually well organized with everything that you can use with Nano with like merchants, wallets, solutions, trading, gaming, developer tools, faucets, places you can earn Nano from, charities that are accepting Nano and other services as well. And I think this is a great place to have all of the things that are Nano related in one place, because there's so many websites before that were like nanomart.cc. There's like faucets that had like .io domains, .org, .cc, .com. It was so confusing, and it was honestly a bit frustrating too to have so many different links that it was just so disorganized. But Nano put it in their own hands to make their own basically portal of everything that is Nano related. So as you can see, there's actually a search bar here. Let me take that out. So as you can see, there's actually a search bar here as well, where you can search the whole website for things. But let's go over every single category, I guess, about this new hub. So let's look at merchants, right? So if we're looking at merchants, these are all the merchants that are basically taking and accepting Nano for payments. And if we go through this like really quick, there's AutoCoin Cars, Coinsbee, Travala, which I also made a video on, by the way, if you want to check that out, and other websites as well that takes Nano for payments. CD Keys as well, I've used for some games. Hot Sauce. Someone actually in the Reddit community bought Hot Sauce with Nano, and I found that really interesting. But hey, adoption is adoption, right? But I'm not going to go over every single thing in this list, but I just want to basically guide you guys through this website. Nurch as well. I have a video coming up on Nurch as well. I'm just waiting on the package to arrive, but make sure to keep your eye on that, so subscribe. But yeah, so basically that's all of the merchants so far that are, I guess, vetted in a sense that takes Nano, and people have used it as well. But let's go over the other categories. Alright, so this is important. Wallets, Nano wallets. We have Natrium, everyone's favorite, as well as Nalt. A lot, if not everybody, uses Natrium and Nalt for their Nano, which is basically such a very nicely built wallet for your Nano, and it's so easy to use as well. You have We Nano as well. I'll go over that in a second. Atomic, and just all the other wallets that you can put your Nano in. Paper wallet as well. Exodus, all that. But yeah, We Nano is basically Pokemon Go, but for Nano, where you can go physically go to locations to earn some Nano with, like, on certain spots, you can basically get those in person. Now, Merchant Solutions is basically integrations where you can use Nano for your business, or even when you're streaming or whatever the case may be. I know it's like very different use cases on this list, but if you're looking for something very specific, the search bar is here as well. I know Now Payments is an API that you can use on your website where you can take Nano payments directly. And Simplex, Coinify, We Nano Business, and all these other websites as well, these merchant solutions, I guess, that can help you integrate Nano into your business. And we have trading. This is where basically you can buy and sell and trade Nano on exchanges. Kraken, Crypto, Bitvavo, MoonPay, Binance, and there are a lot of actual like exchanges that you can basically buy and sell Nano on. So there are a lot of exchanges on here that everybody can use in different parts of the globe, and you can just basically pick your own poison here. I personally use Kraken because the withdraw and like the UI for the iOS app is so smooth and beautifully built and designed, and I would definitely recommend that to you guys as well. We have gaming as well. We have games where you can use and earn Nano for a variety of things in the game, I guess. And you can basically buy things with your Nano or earn Nano while playing the game. And I've actually played some of these games, and there is CSGO as well, which I used to be such a nerd for back in the day. But you can definitely earn Nano by playing Counter-Strike against others. And also we have the newly built Rayblox Minecraft, which is basically a Minecraft server where you can earn Nano. I definitely need to look into this a little bit more. I just know that you can use Nano for in-game transactions as well as earn Nano from some faucets, and you can also tip in-game. Yeah, this is basically a start for microtransactions in games, right? And we have developer tools, which is basically a lot of softwares that can help you develop with Nano or even integrate Nano into whatever project that you might have. This is definitely for my developers out there. I'm not going to get into this a little bit too much, but I have used and visited some of these sites for different use cases, right? Like, I'm sure you guys have heard of Nano Looker for tracking blocks or wallets or even transactions. So now we have faucets, which is basically trying Nano by getting a small amount of Nano for free. There's the Wii Nano Spot, like I mentioned. It's the Pokemon Go Nano version, I guess. The free Nano Faucet, Nano Drop, Block Hunters, where you can basically enter your Nano wallet address and receive a very, very tiny fraction of Nano and experience how fast it is, basically. And we have Earn. So basically discovering a wide range of ways to earn more Nano. And I see two miners here where you can basically mine Ethereum but get paid in Nano. I've also covered that in a video if you want to check that out. Nano Quake, I also have tried Earn Nano just cause Counter-Strike, a lot of games, Polyrun. I'm actually interested in looking into this a little bit further, where you can basically earn Nano by running or jogging, I guess. And I think that's an interesting use case in terms of integrating Nano in real life, where you can basically just like run and be fit and earn Nano. So I'm definitely going to look into that a lot more. And now we have Charities, which is basically charities that are accepting Nano. I know Fight for the Future actually integrated Nano onto their website after a few of the Nano ambassadors asked them to take Nano, because Nano is basically free and feeless, as you guys know, and they were so incentivized to integrate Nano onto their website because it was just so easy, where people can just like pull up the QR code or like the address and send them Nano straight up, and they receive whatever amount that the person had sent. So I think you guys should definitely check this page out as well if you guys want to help out some non-profits, right? So, and we have other services, which is basically other apps and services making use of Nano. And you got the Wii Nano Business and the Wii Nano, which is basically for regular people that are not into businesses, I guess, or not using it for businesses. This is basically an app for promoting physical business locations and accepting Nano donations via their POS, I believe. But also Acquainting, which is the go-to ledger QuickBooks kind of thing going on with your taxes, especially for crypto, especially when you're trading a lot. You should definitely check that out. I've heard a lot of good things about them. Nano Tip Bot, I use a lot on the Discord servers as well as Twitter. It's so easy because it's already integrated to your account, and you can just basically type in the command and tip the other users and they receive it instantly. Definitely check that out. I highly recommend it because it's definitely fun tweeting and then tipping people without fees. I know, like, you know, the whole like Bitcoin thing and Lightning and all that, but this thing has been around for years and it's going to be here for a while still. So check that out. And that's it for the new Nano Hub. I know it's quite the quick video, but I'm not going to go over every single thing on this website because there's way too many things. But on the other hand, that is a good thing because every single piece of data or like website that is Nano related is now organized into one central hub. And before, everybody would be asking like, hey, where can I get Nano? Hey, where can I store my Nano? Hey, where can I earn Nano? And like yada yada yada, right? I think this is a great step in terms of adoption, since new users in the space find it difficult to find things to do with their Nano. And I know that's a problem because things can get very, very overwhelming so fast when you're getting into this whole space. And I know that this whole hub is not fully fledged out yet, and you can definitely suggest items as well if there's something that you might want to add in the Nano website, right? Or the hub rather. And the team's going to look into that, I'm assuming. And yeah, well, I think I'm just rambling at this point, but I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little walkthrough of the new Nano Hub. But make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.